How to create mailing groups in your Outlook app. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can create or form the email mailing groups in your Outlook, and how you can send the email to this group, and how you can edit the group, how you can delete your group, or how you can add the people someone in this group. I'll show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before you start, request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here I'm on my Outlook app. Just open your Outlook app here, and as you see, I'm using the two mailbox. One is a Hotmail, second is a Gmail. So I'll show you how you can use the contacts or new groups to add the groups in this both email ID. So first step is go to the this people icon and come to the home tab, and here you can see your my all contacts. You can see my all contacts here. So I'll show you how you can create the groups or mailing groups. So here you can see the option called new contacts. Okay, in my Outlook version I can see this contacts new contacts group here, but maybe in your Outlook app, maybe this option will be under the down arrow, or maybe here there. You have to check out and just click on new contacts group. So this window will be open. Now you have to you have to give the name of this group. So I just give the name like netcast contact list. The name has been given. Now we need to add the people's or email ID here. So here you can see the option called add member. You can add from Outlook contacts, you can add from your address book, and you can also create the new email contacts right now manually. So I go to the Outlook contacts here, and here you can see as I showed, there is a contact list in Hotmail. You can see in contacts, which is Gmail. Okay, so just check out your contact list here, and okay, so I just add this person to my contact list. So I just click on it and just click on member, so it will be add here. Now choose second and just add this. You can add multiple. Just hold your control key, select anyone, and just hold your control key, and now you can select like this. Click on down arrow. Okay, just hold and control key and select the down arrow, or you can just select the any names by your mouse, and just click your right button with mouse and hold it, and just scroll like this. It will be select all. Now just click on member, so it will be select, add here. You can also add manually here. Just enter the semicolon and enter the email ID like this. Okay, and just click on OK. So you can see all member has been added here. Now if you want to remove anyone, just select the person and you can click the remove. It will be removed. Okay, so now you can also delete the group if you want. You can categorize your group like this: blue, yellow, whatever. Short keys. Okay, you can also create the shortcut keys for your group. Okay, so here I categorize with blue. Now you have to just save and close it. Okay, just save and close it. Then this group will be created. So you can see this is group and this is member which I have add to my group. Now when I try to create the new email from here, so I need to add group here. So you can write the group name. If you write initially first word, so in list you will see the session list. There is a group you can add, or you can add from go to the to or cc and add the group. So group icon will be different. There is a two small people, and in individual contact there is a different icon. So just select the group, and when so just click where you want add. So I just add on 2 and just click on it. So now when you insert your group list in your email, you only able to see the group name. Okay, so if you want to expand the email, expand this group, or if you want to remove someone from this group while you sending the mail, just click on this plus icon, this message will show you. Just click on OK. Then the all email you can see. Now you can delete from here. Just select the email like this and just hit the delete button. Okay, so if you do this, it can't be undo, so your email look like this only. Now you can send the email. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.